Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So on today's video, you guys, I'm going to create this gorgeous picture of Kylie Jenner. I tried to have a brown shirt, but I don't have a brown shirt, which is weird. I don't have a brown shirt, but this look, it's so easy to create, so beautiful, fall appropriate, everyday look appropriate, date night appropriate. I feel like it's just gorgeous. So I hope you guys love this video. Also, before we start, let me know what you guys think of me filming this way vertically. I usually do it horizontally, you know that, but I'm just into more vertical videos, you guys. So let me know in the comments down below, please, because you guys been a little crickets on me. No one's saying nothing. Like, there's no one. I mean, you guys are not talking on the comments. So let me know in the comments down below because it helps me out so much, you guys. It boosts up my engagement and all that stuff. So before we jump in, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't yet for more looks like this. So let's jump right into this look. I have my brows done, and I feel like on the picture her brows are a little bit darker, so I did use my Precisely Brow Pencil by Benefit, and also the Full Proof Brow Powder in number 5, which is the darkest. I did a little bit just at the ends because, let me show you guys again. Her brows always look so bold. It looks good on her, but not on me. All right, you guys, so we are going to start with the face because I'm feeling really dry right now. And I'm going to be using some new products that I received from Mercier. You guys, it's not sponsored or anything. And if it was, you guys know that I don't be lying. So I'm going to be using the Mercier Nourishing Rose Oil. It's an oil, but it's watery. Okay, it does smell good. It smells fancy. Ooh. It smells really fancy, really good. And it smells rich. And girl, I get red so quick. The second product I got was the Perfect Cream Multitasting Moisturizer. It feels really refreshing and cold and really hydrating. Wow. We're also gonna use this eye cream from them. This is their illuminating eye cream, you guys, and it looks really thick, and that's what you want, something nice and thick. And let's see. For being thick and being this much, that means it's going to last a long time because I feel like you just need a little bit, and it's really hydrating. As you guys can see, look at my skin looking all nice and hydrated. I'm gonna grab my Benefit Boinless Concealer, you guys. I really love this one in the Too Faced just to color correct my lid area and have it nice and ready for the eyeshadows. So I'm applying Teddy all over, you guys, and I am getting really close to the brow bone, and also I am applying it close to the inner part of the eye. Now I'm applying Unfilter on my brow bone highlight. I feel like her look looks a little bit yellow at the bottom, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just try to mimic everything from her eye look. So now I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush, you guys, and I'm gonna be grabbing Rich and put that on my outer corner, and then I'm gonna apply that at the outer corner, but winging it as her look looks like it's winged out. I should have put that little, I mean, you guys can put a tape or something, but we're gonna do it without it this time so you guys can see that you guys can do it without it. And I just dirtied my shirt. Today's the day. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna be applying that, just building it. Always start out with a little bit because when you start with darker colors, I mean, when you apply darker colors, it is harder to take off. So I'm just building it in the crease right here. It's going to look crazy, but I'm gonna fix that. And then I'm gonna grab my other brush that I started with and just blend that line right there, and then keep adding with the other brush. After that, I'm gonna clean it with concealer, and then I'll do my other eye. I'm patting Teddy on half of my lid, as hers looks like it's more on the neutral yellowish, but really toned down. I'm gonna be grabbing my concealer brush, and I'm not gonna even put nothing on it, you guys. I don't have anything. Okay, I don't have nothing, so I'm just gonna clean it slowly. So now I'm grabbing a smaller shadow brush, and I'm applying Rich on the lash line under, making sure that I connected to this outer corner. I'm gonna blend that with this pointy brush, you guys, from Sigma. I am so bad at giving you guys the name for the brushes, but I'm just gonna smoke that. I don't see any liner. I'm sure she has on the top waterline liner, but at the top I don't see any liner, and this girl is blessed. This girl is blessed with amazing lashes. I mean, they are all blessed with amazing lashes, but I found some lashes, you guys. If you guys watched my previous video, I found some lashes that look so natural. They are on the pricier side. They are. But they look so freaking amazing. So I'm just gonna put some eyeliner at my top waterline, which is the one from CoverGirl. Okay, you guys, so I added some mascara from Sigma, which I'm actually loving it, you guys. I feel like it does make my lashes look longer. You guys have it with the lashes on. I feel like they look super natural. I mean, they look really good. So now moving on to the skin. For foundation, I'm going to be using IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation, and I am in color, you guys. Medium neutral 31, and it's a water light medium coverage natural radiant finish. So, and I'm also going to be using IT Cosmetics the skin smoothing complexion brush. This is the 704 brush. It's dirty, but I love this brush, you guys. It's just nice and flat and compacted in this area. Remember where it was all ugly? You just put your foundation over it, and don't forget to bring it down to your neck. My Benefit Boyne Calyx concealer, the one that I started with, you guys, in this. I'm gonna be grabbing a little bit of the translucent powder from Laura Mercier in color Honey, you guys. I'm also going to use a bigger brush and apply that all over my face. So I'm gonna be applying this MAC bronzer. This is the Biana bronzer, you guys. It's really matte, so it doesn't have any shimmer of anything. That's why I love it. But I don't even know if it's discontinued, because you guys know they discontinue a lot of stuff. But how natural does it look? It looks so beautiful, you guys. And when you contour, you want it to make sure it looks really nice and matte. We're basically creating a shadow. So her blush is nice and pink. So I do have a new blush I can show you guys. I think her blush probably is powder, but I'm gonna be using a blush from Nudius, and this one is a cream blush. I feel like cream blushes just make you look youthful. They last longer, and I don't know, I just love them more, even though I don't really use blushes. But this one, it is in Bohemian Rose. This also has a brush in the back to blend it. So you want to make sure when you're blending you don't have any product on your brush. But you know me, I'm gonna blend it more, and I'm gonna use my foundation brush just to make everything look nice and natural. Alright, you guys, so for her lips, they are really nice, neutral, and brown. She has a brown lip liner and neutral lippy. So you guys need to get this, please, because look at how small it is. So it's from Makeup Forever. Is their color pencil, and it's an Anywhere Caffeine. Like, I need to buy so many, you guys, but this thing is amazing. I love it. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your lips. That's why it's called a color pencil. So for now, for Lippy, we're going to be going with this Urban Decay Lippy in color Start Naked. It's a beautiful matte color, you guys. It's a beautiful nude. So that's what we're going for. I'm going to add a little bit of setting powder on my lips just to make them matte. And I'm going to finish it off with the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte Setting Spray. And here you guys have the final outcome. I didn't even have a brown shirt. I need a brown shirt, girl. I need a brown shirt, but here you guys have it. I hope you guys love it. It was super easy to create, and I feel like it's fall appropriate. I mean, this looks bomb. This looks bomb. I love it, you guys. I hope you guys love this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below what other video I should watch. Please let me know, because lately there's been like crickets on my YouTube, which is okay. I mean, I love creating, I love posting, even though sometimes it is like, you know, like, why am I gonna post if no one watches or comments? That's how I've been feeling lately, you guys, but hey, I'm doing my best. So I hope you guys like this look. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.